and Poppy. Today let's find out 27 different words which start with the letter M. This is how the alphabet M looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. M for mother. Mother. M for marigold. Marigold. M for monkey. Monkey. M for meerkat. Meerkat. M for mouse. Mouse. M for macaw, which can also be pronounced as macaw, macaw or macaw. M for mango. Mango. M for melon. Melon. M for mushroom. Mushroom. M for macaroni. Macaroni. M for muffin. Muffin. M for maple syrup. Maple syrup. M for mug. Mug. M for microwave. Microwave. M for moon. Moon. M for mountain. Mountain. M for map. Map. M for mermaid. Mermaid. M for maze. Maze. M for mirror. Mirror. M for mosque. Mosque. M for mat. Mat. M for mobile. Mobile, which can also be pronounced as mobile. Mobile. M for money. Money. M for magnet. Magnet. M for mop. Mop. And the last word we have on the list for the day is M for motorcycle. Motorcycle. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.